Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome and thank you so very much for joining me. Today, my friend Nonie went to Tuesday morning and look what happened. This is amazing. Our store we haven't walked in and purchased this much of anything. So I'm really excited to see what she has here. You can take a look with me. So I haven't peeked. She handed me the stack. I took it out of the bag. This is Thinlits Textured Impressions. It's 3 butterfly dies. And then it looks like it says maybe just a note. Yeah, just a note. So it makes your textured background and has dies. Butterfly dies. I need to stop loving them, but I do. That'll be really fun. Neat cards there. Oh my gosh, look at this. It is You Are Dynamite. I love you this much. And it has little dinosaur stamps. She colors. She's really good at coloring with her Copics and her pencils. And it says Dinorific, I think is what this says. And then you have the dies to cut them apart for $5.99. Oh, there's a die right here that says yours. So you have your, look right there, Your Dinorific in dies, and then those are the stamps, and then you have the dies to cut them apart. That for $5.99, that's really good. This is a super cute border, looks like teardrop lace. I could borrow this and use this on journals, couldn't I? Yeah, really, really cute. Okay, I thought we weren't going to buy so many dies because of the scan and cut, but maybe I was wrong. Oh my gosh. So this is Mama Elephant. Mama Elephant makes super adorable stamps to color, which, you know, that's not really my thing, but sometimes Nonie even stamps them out and colors them for me. So maybe that could happen. Somebody Loves You, Friends Forever. And then here are the dies to cut them out. So you stamp these out. Really, really cute. And they give you little ideas on the back about how to stamp and use the stuff and tape it down. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is what happens when you have a really good shopper next door and she knows you like stars. So it makes a card that says happy birthday, and it's a cut and emboss folder. So it cuts some of the stars out and embosses the rest. $4.99. That is super cool. We should definitely play with that one. Okay. Enjoy everyday life. Everyday life, today, your cake, your birthday, this moment, your special day, this day, the sunshine, your gift, the memories. Great for scrapbooking, great for inspirational cards, great for birthday cards. And it has the die to cut around the stamped word and then the little banner right there. $3.99. Super cute. Oh, look, another one. Congrats with the stars. See, this woman has good taste. She has shopping talents. So you just run that through whatever machine you have. You don't have to have the same machine as me. I have the Sizzix Big Shot. It doesn't matter. They all run all the dies. You can mix and match. So just because you have a Sizzix machine doesn't mean you have to have Sizzix dies. Whoa, this one is super fancy. This is an example of, yeah, I'm not going to do that, but she will. And it is super fancy. Look at the detail on that. And I know there are tricks to make it cut out better and deal with it, but I'm not going to. Super cute. What's going on here? Ooh, fancy stamps. Okay, so it's a floral spray. It says 9 pieces. Let's peek. She takes everything out of the packages, so I don't think she'll mind if I don't open it super carefully. She puts hers in like storage sleeves. She's fancier than I am. Oh, look, it's a beautiful, beautiful set. Oh, duh, right there. Okay. Can you see it better there or in person? Just a note. Happy anniversary. Be your own kind of beautiful. Happiness blooms from within. These are gorgeous. And she really will do a nice job coloring these in, which I don't really do. Yeah, so that's super cute. Here's another one. Thank you for your kindness, sending, could be sending hugs or whatever. Thanks on your special day with lots of love, sympathy. You can make a really nice sympathy card, and that's a nice font, and the rose is gorgeous. Really, really cool. I'm excited. She just, look at this. It's like everybody's store dumped into ours. Okay, Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Some floral sprays. Hello. This one's cute. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know why she bought this one though, because she has so many cute stamps. Maybe she just bought it because it was $4.99. She wanted to give Andrea or I the chance at it. With love and hearts in the middle. This is like my, oh my gosh, this one's adorable. Special Friends. And it has, so these come with, they covered it up, but I'm going to try and find it to show you. They come with a stamp. So you stamp your cat and your dog. You use the die to cut it out. It says Special Friends, and they give you the layers, the different dies. Oh, mine has an extra piece in it too, so you can cut them out. Mine says Feel Better. I use it for like get well cards. So she got Special Friends, and With Love has the hearts in it. Yeah, I love the Special Friends one. That one's okay. But see how that one has another layer in addition. And these have like little stitchy dots on them. Cute, cute, cute. Whoa, these are fancy. Look at those dies. They're fancy flowers. That might be neat to kind of make your own ephemera. And I think what they've done here is like colored it all day long. I don't know that I'm going to do that, but it would be gorgeous. I'm curious to see what she makes, and then I can mooch it. And this is not exactly the same thing. These are more spring flowers, I think. The same idea. Very, very cool. Those are heavy duty details there. I'm curious to see what she makes. Okay, this one is Once Upon a Time. Look, it's like a whole entire fairy life. Okay, so princess, unicorn. Look, Cinderella's little carriage and a rainbow and a castle, and then all the dies to go with it. So you could make neat scenery. Here they've made like a pop-up box. Darling for little girls' birthday cards. Congratulations with wine glasses in the middle. Same idea. You die cut and then you can stamp the glasses. Special Day with a butterfly. I either bought this one for Tony or I bought it and then returned it because I don't think Leona wanted it at the time. It's so cute, but weddings, birthdays, I think, right? Special Day, butterfly stamp. Oh my gosh. Aren't you proud I resisted? I don't think I've gotten the opportunity to purchase this one. Cupcake in the middle, and it says Happy Birthday. I need birthday inspiration, so I think I definitely would have bought that one. Oh, this one's adorable. Darling. Look, a little fairy sitting on the moon. Really, really neat. Okay, another cute set. Reach for the Sky. It has stars. It says Dream. Really cute kids ones. And then B, Nonie is prepping for a baby shower. So that might be some of why she's got really cute baby stuff in here. And she didn't have much before. Oh my gosh, this looks totally like the Echo Park owls in those fall collections. Oh baby, bundle of joy. We're expecting. Welcome baby. Blessed with a new baby. Congratulations. That's just a really nice congratulations stamp anyway. Congratulations on your new house, new life, new dog, whatever, retirement. This was her little trip to Tuesday morning today. How amazing is this? Our Tuesday morning usually only has a few dies. You don't get to walk in there and choose from an amazing selection like this. And a lot of these I've never seen. I've been pretty good lately about watching Tuesday morning hauls just because I've been so crazy busy. And let's be honest, with all those Echo Park boxes I had coming, I kind of needed a little break. I hope that you weren't necessarily enabled here, but maybe you saw some bargain that you're going to check for at your store. Take care. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.